Hi, for today we are back again. And for today, I will be introducing you to the three no code app builders, especially if you do not have any background when it comes to coding and if you want to build your very own app, then these three are the must start, or I highly recommend you to start with this one. So, with no further ado, let's start. So, the first app that I highly recommend for you to use is the Airtable. So you could search it at airtable.com. So basically, it accelerates work and unlock the potential with powerful apps and that connect your data, workflow, and teams. For example, you've been doing work to your Google Sheet or your Microsoft Teams or any Google Drive, any applications, you could actually link that to this application. So for this one, Airtable offers for the application, they offer overview, they have features, integration, enterprise overview, even marketplace. So all you have to do is to drag and drop the template for your application and then just link the data if you've already have a data on the Microsoft Excel or any Microsoft Offices and to your Google applications such as Sheet, Drive, and so on and so forth. So the Airtable actually has a pricing or you can avail for a plan. So as you can see here, you could actually create an account for free and it is for individuals or a very small teams just getting started with Airtable. So if you wanna try out this, so they give off a free offer for you to get used to it, and if you think that this is you're comfortable with it, and then if you think this platform is really great for you to create your app with no code, then you can avail the plan. So as expected, the more expensive payment, better benefits you will have. So they have an Airtable Plus and Pro. So the most popular or a lot of people avail for the Pro. So it is billed monthly and here are the inclusions if you avail their products or their plans. So for the $10 per month, you could create 3 apps per base, 3 sync integration, 5,000 records per base, 5 GB of attachments per base, custom branded forms, 6 month revisions and snapshot history, automatic tables syncing. And for the Pro, you could create a 10 apps applications per base, 7 sync integration, and many more benefits. So if you log in or create an account, you will see this one. So your my first workspace, for example, you will create or your team plans to create an event. So all you have to do is there you could quickly upload it if you already have an existing project, or you could actually select a pre-made templates. So we could just get started and then just add some revision on it as you go through it or just start from the scratch. So let's say I'm going to start with template and then for event planning, click event planning and then they will add a template. And here you can see you can import your work from Google Sheets, Excel, or copy paste data or CSV. And here basically you will see your calendar, the summary. For example, your welcome breakfast, you could add notes here and send grid here or add another application. You could create a gallery, a Kanban type or a timeline and many more. You could add the speakers for your event, your attendees, and how much budget you will allot for that event. So basically, you could create this application or this app with no code needed. So the next no code application builder that I recommend to you is the Zapier. So it, just like I have discussed, it just needs copy paste, or you could sync your account, or basically no code app builder. So you could link this to other accounts you have, such as the Microsoft Offices, the Google application. So you'll see here how it works and what are the features for Zapier. So Zapier actually is linked to Shopify and many more websites. So you could actually play by your own logic or rules here. So you could create or customize your very own application and make your data match your style. So if you create your application, it's actually for free. So as you can see here, you can connect it to your Gmail, your Google Calendar, Google Sheets, Slack, Twitter, Google Docs, and many more. So all you have to do is to get started for free, and then you can create an automation that you can see what automation they have. For example, if you log in into your account, you will see this one. So basically, you will be directed to this. So here you could transfer your files. For example, you've already created your files on the Google Sheet or the like. You could actually import it here, or you could create your very own application. So let's say you have app event and your event is already input somewhere. Let's say you've already inputted in your Google Forms. So you choose your event. So it's either new response in spreadsheet or new or updated response. So let's just create a new or updated response and then continue. So you need to sign in and connect your Google form. Then basically it will then lead to a drag, drop, or just import the informations, and then you will have your application. And the last application builder that I recommend is Glide. And here you could actually get started for free. And but as you go on or as you use it, you might need or you might want to purchase it or go with a plan. So Glide is a no-code app builder, and it has a free templates, which is very nice because you could just drag and drop it, and then basically just, for example, you use a specific template, then all you have to do is revise its wordings, and then you have your application. In this application, you could create pages for your inventory, your property manager, company CRM, delivery, field sales, and landing page. And you could actually create a template for phone-based application for this one. So as you can see here, you will see the city guide, and it will look like this. So for the pricing, you could actually avail or create for free, start for free for your first app, and then for starter, you could avail it for $25, and pro for team building apps for many public and private users. You could use this, and then for business. So if you log in into account, it will look like this. And here you will see the different pages that you could avail for your applications, or just create a new project and then just insert this property manager inventory, and then your employee directory, conference, basic expense reporter, task tracker, and basically that's it. You will now have your very own application with no code needed. And that is all for today. I hope this video was beneficial to you. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and leave a comment below with the best tips and tricks that I have taught you in this video. Also, please share and please share this video with your friends and family as well as other creators, so you may give them a hand for creating their very own application and start off their very own business. So I hope this was useful, and please leave a comment below if there is anything else you'd want to contribute, and I'll see you in our next video. Thank you for watching.